Hi you guys, how you doing today? I hope everybody's well. My name is Susan Waldrop and I am an artist, a musician, a singer-songwriter, and a minister, and have a lot of fun. So I am back to my childhood love of art recently, and I'm working hard on physical art, and in the meantime I'm also doing my digital art. Acrylic layers is actually what you're looking at right now. You can visit me at susanwaldrop.art if you're interested in a commission project or you just want to buy some prints. And also I have a YouTube channel that is Susan Waldrop Artist, and a Facebook group, Susan Waldrop Artist there. So hope to see you soon. Please subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. Enjoy the art.